Hey guys, today I'll show you like how you can turn a normal Bluetooth speaker into a smart speaker. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So first what you need to do is just connect this Bluetooth speaker to your phone. For like you can use any of your old phone that is just lying around your house. Then what you can do is just press like power it on.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana.
Let's just do its thing.
Your device is ready to pair. You're now connected to Boatstone Grenade.
Okay, now it has been connected to my phone. So what you might want to do is you just keep it plugged in all the time, so it can stay charged up. It doesn't, so that it doesn't drain its battery. So let me just first share my screen. So what you might want to do is you might want to enable, like you need to enable the Hey Google on even though your screen is off. So first like tap on your profile picture button, then go to settings, then again go to Google Assistant, then voice match. Then you might want to turn on this Hey Google feature. Then what it just triggered the Hey Google thing. Again it did the same thing. So okay, let me just show you how it's been done. Hey Google, please tell me a joke.
Ramu to Shyamu, my life would have been so much.
Okay, very funny. Okay, so now if I just say, hey Google, drop a beatbox.
Been waiting for you to ask.
Okay. Then, hey Google, how much protein is there in the chicken?
There are 27 grams of protein in 100 grams of roast chicken.
So what you might want to do is just keep it in some place and just keep your phone in this way, or like it doesn't matter in however way. So just like, damn, that thing is heavy. So I'm telling you. So what you want to do is like, hey Google, see, yeah, this is how turn any kind of speaker into a Bluetooth speaker. So yes, this is the step like how you can enable how you can turn your normal Bluetooth speaker into a smart speaker. So yes, this is all about like the steps like how you can use your Bluetooth speaker as a smart speaker. So thank you. If you found this video helpful, do like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you until next time. Bye.